Chapter 7. The Land of Dense Forests. As we studied in the earlier chapters, the equator divides the earth into two halves. This division is very important for understanding the changes in climatic conditions, vegetation, marine life, wildlife, and human inhabitation in various parts of the earth. The region from 10 degrees north to 10 degrees south of the equator is called the equatorial region. This region receives maximum sunlight due to its position. Climate. This region remains very hot and humid throughout the year. The evaporation in rivers, lakes, and other water bodies is very high in this area. This increases humidity considerably, helping in the formation of clouds very quickly. Every day, within few hours of sunlight, the humidity in the equatorial regions increases to such an extent that it reaches the saturation point. This causes precipitation daily. The climate in this region remains almost the same round the year. This means that the equatorial region does not experience different seasons. Continents and countries that fall in the equatorial region are listed below. South America, Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, etc. Africa, Liberia, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Guinea, the Democratic Republic of Congo, etc. Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia, southern parts of India, etc. Australia. Vegetation. This region receives optimum sunlight and has daily precipitation. That is why approximately 50% of the world's plants are in this area, even though this region occupies only 6% of the total land area on Earth. The trees in these forests bear fruits and shed leaves, but at different times of the year. Due to this, autumn never comes in these forests. These forests are, therefore, also called evergreen forests. The trees in these forests grow in several layers, and the taller trees spread their branches, forming a canopy at the top. This prevents sunlight from passing through. The floor of the forest is covered with shrubs, smaller trees, creepers, etc. Various types of ferns are also found in abundance in the evergreen forests. Some commonly found trees of these forests are lianas, kapok, bamboos, coconut, ferns, philodendrons, bromeliads, etc. Wildlife. The lush green evergreen forests are home to a variety of wild animals, especially the tree-dwelling animals like monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas, squirrels, flying foxes, etc. The aquatic life also thrives in the form of crocodiles, alligators, snakes, turtles, fish, and others. Birds and insects of a great variety are also found in the evergreen forests. Human life. The region is thinly populated due to the climatic conditions. Only a few nomadic tribes like the Pygmies of Zaire, Semangs of Malaysia, and Kubus of Sumatra live in these forests. They are dependent on food gathering, hunting, and shifting agriculture. They clear pieces of forest and do cultivation there for a few harvesting seasons. After the land loses fertility, they move to newer regions. Malaria is the deadliest disease of this region.